Today we're going to make a delicious salad dressing out of 3 ingredients only. We need zucchini, lemons and some chives. You can use different herbs if you prefer something else. So I'm going to slice these babies and squeeze them, and let's see what happens. Now I got my juice ready, and by the way, this tool is really great because all the seeds are here and I can pour the juice into the, well, this is not a Vitamix, but into my blender. Yeah, I have to explain it now. I don't have a Vitamix. The Vitamix that I had before was not mine. It was my friend's Vitamix, and now I really wanted to get a blender with a glass container. So now I got it, I'm going to use it, and I really love this tool because I'm not sure whether you can see it. All the seeds got stuck here, see? Yay! So let's pour some juice into the blender. Now we're going to slice our zucchinis and put them into a blender as well. Let's see how many I can fit in. I now have 2 zucchinis in here. In Britain you call them courgettes. I'm going to blend them up first so that we have more space for more courgettes and some chives. Now I have more space for more ingredients. So we're going to put some chives in there and another 2 courgettes. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like. And it smells delicious. In case you like this sauce and my video, then remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and visit me again, because I love the raw vegan lifestyle and I love inspiring everyone to go raw vegan, because I know how much it can change in your life. It can just work miracles in your life if you allow it to happen. So now I'm going to decorate my salad, and with salads there are no rules, of course. The main thing is it's raw and it's vegan. Otherwise just put in everything you like, everything that tastes good to you. Cheers! See you next time! Since I went raw vegan myself in summer 2003, I love inspiring people to go raw vegan because this lifestyle is just so amazing. You feel so happy, fulfilled, full of energy. Of course, it's a process. I mean, it takes time until you start feeling that way, but then it starts getting better all the time. It starts getting better, it starts evolving. It's just a never-ending process. It's a never-ending journey. And It's so beautiful. I want you to feel that way. I want you to find out what you're capable of, because you're capable of achieving amazing things, creating beautiful results in your life.